If you have charitable intentions under your estate plan, you may want to consider a donor-advised fund. More on that in just a second. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We are an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking any help with estate planning or the administration after the loss of a loved one, we can assist, and you can reach us for a free consultation at 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗰𝗆.com. And speaking of value, we are here to educate everyone as well. So ask questions and don't forget to share so that we can help some folks together along the way. Now, maybe you're asking in general, what's a donor advised fund? Basically, it's an account, charitable giving account, that you can set up with some sort of what we call a sponsoring organization. This can either be a community foundation, basically an umbrella charity, I'd like to call it, or some other financial institution that handles donor advised funds. I happen to have sat on a wonderful board of a community foundation here in my local area and in Orange County, and they do great work. So it could be an option for you. They are around the country now. That account, you essentially make irrevocable contributions. So you're putting money in, these are your charitable intentions, right? Cash, stock, or other assets. You get a tax deduction, and then you can recommend that grants be given out over time to the charities of your choosing. Now, what are the top benefits of a donor advised fund if you have this charitable intent? I want to establish it. First, you get an immediate tax deduction, right? And it also is going to reduce any potential estate taxes if you're in that bracket because they're no longer part of your net worth. There's going to be flexibility in the timing and how you give the monies out, right? You can decide later how the charities will benefit. There's no urgency to doing it right away. It is simpler and easier than creating your own private foundation, okay? And you can choose different things to contribute to this type of fund. It can be, of course, cash and stock, but it can also be other assets that maybe have some capital gains built in and avoid those tax impacts for yourself. You can establish a legacy for your family to do charitable gifting after you're gone. You can name whom will be in charge and the heirs to take over so that it can continue over the generations. It is private. Okay, you can give privately, should you choose. And it's all very centralized, right? You can have your a multitude of charitable giving for different types of purposes under this one fund. Doesn't have to be an account for this or for that. And then lastly, of course, and I've kind of touched on this already, you're continuing to keep your family engaged, right? That could be your children and grandchildren in charitable giving over the ages, which is a wonderful legacy to leave. So again, if you have charitable giving as part of your plan or have considered such, you may want to think about and learn about a donor advised fund. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. And we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you do need assistance in either estate planning or the administration after the loss of a loved one, you can reach out to us at 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗰𝗆.com. We hope you've learned something new here today, and please don't forget, share, and take care. Bye-bye.